Okay, now let's discuss about the Unary operator. So let's create a new class, giving a class name that is Unary Operators Demo. Okay, let's create the public static void main method, and let's declare few variables. Let's say that we have integer I is equal to 10, integer j is equal to 20. Okay, and here let me write the s out where I'm going to write I plus plus. Okay, so guys, here what I have done, I have used this plus symbol two times, and this whenever I use this plus symbol two times, it is considered as unary operator. Okay, what is the purpose of it? Basically it does this thing, that is I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, what does it mean? It increments the value of I by 1 and assign that updated value back to the variable I. Okay, similarly we have another unary operator, that is I minus minus, okay, which does the same thing. Okay, so this is also unary operator, right? And this operator does the same thing, that is I is equal to I minus 1. Okay, so I hope this would be clear to all of you, right? So now if I run the program, at that time what is going to happen, that the value of I is going to be incremented by 1. Okay, and it would be stored back to the variable I itself. Here that the value of I is going to be decremented by 1 and is going to be stored in that. Okay, now another variation of this unary operator, this is known as the postfix unary operator. Postfix unary operator, right? These both are known as the postfix unary operator. Why postfix? Because that the operator is there after the variable. Okay, another category of this variable is that prefix operator, like plus plus I. Okay, right? So this is known as what? Prefix unary operator. Okay, and it will do the same thing, that is I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, let me write one more statement, that is minus minus I. Okay, again this is the variation of the previous unary operator which we have seen over here, right? So this is also prefix unary operator, I is equal to I minus 1. Okay, now here obviously you may be confused that then what is the difference between this postfix unary operator and the prefix unary operator. Okay, right? So the difference that you will understand when I will run this program. Okay, so let me run this program and let me show you the difference. I'm running the program, and here you will see the difference. Guys, here that your expected output of the statement would be 11, right? But it is not giving 11, it is giving the answer 10. Why 10? So here what is happening, that this is the postfix operator. What does it mean? That the value of I would be evaluated first for whatever the operation that you want to do. That means here I want to print the value of I. Okay, so what it will do, that it will take the pre-image of I. Pre-image of I means that value of I before its updation. Okay, that's why it is printing 10. Whereas in the case of prefix, what happens, that this operation is going to be performed first, followed by that value would be assigned to I, and then that updated value would be printed using this particular statement. and that's why this is known as the prefix unary operator. Okay, so what does it mean? That here in this case, in the first case, this one, line number 7, the operation would be performed later on once the system.out.println would be executed. Okay, whereas in this case, the line number 9, that the operation would be evaluated first and then the system.out.println would be executed. So this is the difference between the postfix and prefix. Okay, here also that you can see that here that after performing this operation, that the value of I would become 11. Okay, the value of I is going to become what? 11. Okay, though that value 10 is printed over here, the value of I is what? 11. So what is happening over here, that okay, so here what happens, that the value of I taken is 11. That is because of this operation that happened over here, right? So that I value would be decremented by 1. Okay, so it should become 10 now. Okay, but here we are not getting answer 10. The reason being that it will take the pre-image of I. Here in this case, pre-image of I is what? That is 11. Okay, and that's why we are getting 11 over here. So right now, that after execution of this statement, the value of I became 10. After that, again we are taking this plus plus I. So here in this case, what will happen, that whatever value of I is there, that would be evaluated. Okay, and it is going to become what? It is going to become 11, and that's why that 11 is getting printed over here. So here in this case, that I is became 11. Okay, right? I hope this is clear to you, right? And finally here the value of I is 11. Okay, it would be decremented by 1, so the value of I is going to become 10, and that's why here we are having answer 10, and at the end the value of I would be 10. This how it works. Okay, so let me simplify this thing once again, like how this operation is going to be carried out. So here what is happening, that uh, this particular statement can be rewritten like this also. So what is happening over here, that the first step that is executing over here is that it is printing the value of I. Okay, and then it is doing this thing, that is I is equal to I plus 1. Okay, so the single statement is divided into these two statements. I hope that this is clear to you. Okay, similarly, let me put this in a comment for a moment. In this case, what is going to happen? So here what is happening, that the I value is going to be updated first. Okay, and then you are going to have that system.out.println I, and that's why you here you get the updated value of I as an output. I hope this is clear to all of you. That's it for this video.